Hello everyone, please welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you a quick unboxing of a new iPhone. This is a iPhone 15 Pro Max. I'm going to upgrade my phone. iPhone 13 I have. I got two phones, one for me and one for my wife. Blue titanium. For my wife is a natural titanium. Also I got the case for myself, then I have a case for my wife. So I'm just going to do the quick unboxing and I'll show you what things we do receive. So I'm going to open it. This is a beautiful color. And these are the things we get. The phone itself, the cable charging port, and the manuals. So please make sure that you read through, and also has an Apple logo in there. Take off the protective film. We're going to start it. And we are already welcome screen. So we're going to choose English, United States. This is the default appearance. You can use it like a medium. It makes a bigger fonts and you can make a large. But I'm going to keep it on default. So we're going to continue. I'm going to press next. For the video purposes, I'm going to just skip through. As you can see on the new iPhone 15 Pro Max, they have a new feature. This is the action button. You can make any changes. At this moment, I just wanted to share with you the phone itself and what things we're getting with it. And now we are welcome. This is a really good, nice phone. I'm going to enjoy it. As for the case itself, I got one clear case, and this is good idea to use a case with the iPhone, so we'll protect it and it's going to look nice. So I hope you like this quick unboxing video of iPhone 15 Pro Max, and if you like this video, like always, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a good day. Bye bye.